Babe, I don't want to play with you right now.
Hey, chat. Restart it. I can't do it.
I can just clip all of it.
Oh, trust.
All
right, 3, 2, 1. Buddy, it's your YouTube
It's your
channel.
YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today,
Okay,
we're gonna skip the intro.
We're just gonna...
Yeah.
Hey, chat.
Today we're doing the Hellen Keller baking challenge. Blind deaf, mute,
and
baby.
I'm gonna be starting blind.
That
Mute.
great.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
We'll cycle every 10 minutes.
Oh, I should probably
It
watch
says
that.
preheat oven to 350 and then coat. Do we have a pan? Did anybody get a pan out?
Oh my god.
I can't see.
Guys, we forgot to get a pan out. It's so loud. Oh my god. Pan.
Pan, Sophie. Sophie, can you talk?
Sure, we'll do that.
Wait,
That's cute.
wait. It's hard. I can feel it.
Can you preheat oven to 200? 350. 350. Oh, you did it? Okay. Coat the pan with non-stick spray.
Can I have
What is
spray?
happening?
Can I have spray?
I don't want to get sprayed in the face.
Is the nozzle pointing
Oh my
towards
God.
it?
It's coming out of me.
Is it perfect?
Stop! That's good.
It's okay,
No more. Oh my god.
Is that good?
Combine the cake mix, egg whites, vegetable oil, and water.
Oh wait,
So-
you said...
Separate the egg whites from the egg yolks.
Okay, egg. I need egg. Pookie, I need an egg.
Just like put the egg yolk in here, I guess. It's the music so loud.
It's so gooey.
She's spraying the pan with.
Oh no, Abby. Broke the egg yolk again.
Oh,
Okay, just that one's good. It's good.
okay. What do I do with the...
Give the shell to Sophie. again.
Sophie, take the shot.
There might be a little bit of egg yolk in it. It's okay.
okay.
Your hands! Oh my god! Get away from me! Get away!
Where's this? Is this the same? Is this the same?
Same thing! Same thing!
Wait, why do we three?
Oh god, you're gonna miss the bowl!
Where's the bowl?
You got it? Okay, put the egg yolk in here! You only have one more!
Why is there so many egg yolks?
I don't know!
Someone pull my sleeve back. Egg yolk. I need
Oh,
another
it's egg white
one.
all in my freaking
I'm so
sweatshirt.
sorry.
Stop spinning around! Stop spinning around!
I did another
You're good, you're good.
Your Sophie's martini.
Is that it?
She ate all the fruit.
No.
Oh, I felt the crack.
That's good.
How's it going?
You killed her. Oh my god, Abby.
Yo, this is you know.
What's happening? Keep your hands in the sink. Okay. Let go. Measure. Measure out a half cup of veggie oil. Put this in the bowl.
Where's the bowl?
Pour it in the bowl. No, keep going. Keep pouring. You don't have it all in.
I like the sound that it makes.
Is it on your hands? No, keep it. Measure one and a fourth cup of water. Abby, where are you going? What are you doing? Oh no, we're using milk. We're using milk.
I'm right for the tolerant.
You're right.
How unthoughtful.
So you're not in frame.
No. Adrian. Yo, no, baby. Milk.
Yeah, you're not drinking it. It gets cooked in the cake.
That's not how it works. You're an you dumb. No. Yo, no, baby. Yo. Ooh. Oh, the timer.
What am I doing?
1 and 1/4 cup. You're gripping it. What are you doing, bro? Oh, we're gonna need regular milk too. We got exactly 1 cup. This is so loud.
It's only a
I'm
fourth
gonna have
cup.
hearing loss. You're gonna need regular milk too for a 4th cup. Not yet. Don't pour it yet. It's heavy, by the way.
Why'd you pour it? I wasn't ready. I was showing you line up.
You're good. That's enough.
I washed my hands.
Okay, you're good. That's all. You're good. I'll take that. Ew.
It's cold. Why are you so rough? You're so forceful, and I don't like it. It's not nice.
Oh, we're putting in the cake mix. This one, buddy. Oh, God. Oh, okay. That's all. You're good. Don't.
I'm pulling far away.
Adrian, stop.
Oh,
Oh, dear.
I can't talk like close to me. Just kidding. And I'm like 100% like straight.
Let Abby do it. Let Abby do it.
I'm too small emotions. It's okay. I mean, I'm like doing quick emotions.
Adrian, let Abby do it.
I think we got a good rhythm going. I think it's okay. I think it's alright. Is it look tasty?
Should we use a whisk?
Does it look tasty?
Should we use a whip? Okay.
Got your good sides. Does it look appetizing? No? Did you say or tasty? I feel like a toddler. Sophie, why aren't you talking? You can talk.
Sorry. Oh. Oh my God.
Did I get it yet?
Go smacking that.
Why'd you say it like that?
Let me use this. Yeah, use the spatula.
Are you listening to Chapel Roan, Sophie? Hot to go. H-O-T-T-I.
And now we need to bake it for 29 to 33 minutes. Sort of. Sorry. I'm gonna put it in the oven. We're good.
Can I open the oven?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, I opened the oven. I'm a little parched.
You want water? Okay.
I am parched.
You'll be me when your mom. What the hell? I give up. Brother, do you think we can save this?
Yeah,
you see the steam? Yes, I do see the steam. That's because it's Mom!